Hi, there. Environment not only represents the outside scenery, but also affect the lighting in the room. Today we will teach you how to use environment templates on our platform. First, find environment templates in the render page. We have 17 templates in total. Skyscraper and downtown is the urban scenery during daytime. Have a high angle of view. Very suitable for tall building design. Downtown night is a bit different from the above two, because it is a nighttime template. Lawn simulates natural scenery. The exterior scenery is a large grass, suitable for low building. Town depicts a beautiful village. High level can use it. While Wilderness, a template used for the floor plan that's surrounded by nature. Low level building can give it a try. And Seascape, Harbor, Coast series are suitable for the houses located beside beach. You can rotate your plan and change the position of windows to find the proper scenery. Wood series have a low angle of view. Can give you the best forest view. Lawn series is the same as lawn template. Suitable for low building. A large grass outside your window. So, in a word, we recommend you using downtown for daytime outdoor scenery. Downtown night for the nighttime. And town for countryside. That's all for today. See you next time.